May chance bang mapospone ulit ang eleksyon sa Bangsamoro? Hi, I'm Iya Gozo, multimedia reporter for Raptor. So the Commission on Elections has suspended its preparations for the first ever Bangsamoro parliamentary polls. The reason? Wala na raw itong legal basis para i-conduct ang eleksyon ng district representatives. Okay, backtrack muna tayo. There are two laws you need to know. Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 58 and the Bangsamoro Autonomy Act 77. BAA 58 created the parliamentary districts, aka ilang district seats ang pwedeng mapanalo per province or city or area. BAA 77 naman amended BAA 58, redistricting the region and redistributing the 7 seats na originally allocated for Sulu. Ngayon, nag-issue ang Supreme Court ng TRO against the implementation of BAA 77. Ang interpretation ng COMELEC, suspended ang BAA 77, tapos hindi naman na-revive yung BAA 58. So ano na lang yung legal basis nila para i-conduct yung election ng parliamentary districts? Because of the TRO, sabi ng COMELEC, repealed na raw ang districting provisions in both laws. Hindi lang bilang ng district seats ang maapektuhan dito, kasama na rin yung seats para sa regional political parties and sectoral representatives. Dahil ang bilang ng mga posisyon na to ay linked together. 40 dapat for regional political parties, 25 for district representatives, and 8 for sectoral representatives. Actually, sinabi na rin naman ng COMELEC before in a resolution na hindi na raw nila i-implement ang any redistricting na mangyayari kung magkaroon. Pero dahil sa bagong labas na TRO ng Supreme Court, hindi na rin daw mag-hold ang resolution na to. If ever, ito na ang pangatlong beses na madidelay ang eleksyon sa Bangsamoro. Welcome naman ng election watchdogs ang pag-halt ng preparations for the elections, but they urge the Supreme Court, the Bangsamoro Transition Authority, and the COMELEC na resolbahin agad yung mga issue na to bago pa mag-October 13. For more news and updates, download the Raptor Communities app available on Apple and Android.